welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to take you through my first spring makeup look, and this is what it looks like. I'm calling it the spring out the door look because I can do it really fast. It's really easy. I love how the eye has a little pop of pink and I love it. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. So I've already washed and prepped my skin using 1 pump of the Adaptive Moisture Lotion from Beautycounter with 3 drops of the brightening oil, and I mix that together. I usually wait about 5 to 10 minutes after I moisturize my face before I apply any makeup to my skin. So one of the products that I'm going to jump into is one of my favorite Beautycounter products. It's the Beautycounter Dew Skin. It's a very lightweight tinted moisturizer that has an SPF 20. I feel like this product is part of my everyday spring summer makeup because of the SPF in it, especially because I'm outside all the time and you want to protect your skin from the sun. So I love that this has vitamin C to brighten your complexion, and it has sodium hyaluronate to promote firmer and smoother looking skin. And because it's just a tinted moisturizer, it is more on the sheer side. So I like to actually mix the Dew Skin with my Tint Skin foundation, and that's what I'm going to do for this look. I'm going to take my Morphe M439 Kabuki brush. This is the brush I usually put my foundation on, and I'm going to take the Dew Skin and put 1 pump on there. And because I want a little bit of an extra coverage, I'm going to be mixing the Tint Skin Hydrating Foundation from Beautycounter on the brush as well. So I'm mixing the two together on the brush, and I will start applying it to my face. Okay, make sure that you're blending the product into your hairline and down your neck. Next, I'm going in with Beautycounter Touch Up Concealer Pen. I'm going to take 2 pumps and apply that under my eye. And because this is a spring out the door look, I want to be quick. I'm going to take my ring finger and just gently dab the product into my skin. Once my concealer is blended in, I'm going to use my go-to under eye setting powder, the ILIA Soft Focus Fade Into You. I'm going to take a little bit and tap off the excess. And then whatever's left, I'm going to dab it onto my eyelid. And to set the rest of my face, I'm going to take COVERFX Illuminating Setting Powder. I'm going to apply this all over my face using a big fluffy powder brush and just press it into the skin. So this is a talc-free setting powder that I like to use to set my makeup. It gives a luminous lit from within glow, but if you're more on the oily side, I would recommend using a powder like the mattifying setting powder from Beautycounter. I'm now going to be doing my eyebrows, and I am using the Beautycounter Color Define Brow Pencil, and I'm using the shade Dark. So with the brush end, I'm just going to brush my eyebrows up. And then I'm going to start filling in my eyebrows starting at the arch. I'm just going to use the Beauty Counter Brow Gel in Invisible just to set those brows so they don't move throughout the day. Alright, now that my eyebrows are done, I'm going to start with my spring eye look. So this is one of my favorite looks right now. I kind of just go to this, it's really easy. So the first product that I'm going to use for my eyes is the bronzer, the Radiant All Over Bronzer in the shade Surf. So this is the bronzer shade that I use to bronze my face, and I'm going to use it for my eye using a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to be applying the bronzer into the crease of my eye. Make sure you're blending it really good. Going back into the bronzer and applying it to the crease of the other eye. And for my eyelid, I am going to be using my absolute favorite Satin Powder Blush in Nectar. And I'm going to be picking up the product using this base shadow brush. And I'm going to apply this onto my eyelid. I've been loving using blush on my eyelid lately. It's super blendable with it being a blush for your cheeks, and Nectar is such a beautiful shade. It has the perfect sheen to it, and using a blush just gives the eye such a nice, subtle, glossy look. So you can totally just add some eyeliner, brown or even black. You can smudge it in, add mascara, and be done. What I'm going to do is take a thin eyeliner brush, and I'm going to dab the brush into my Velvet Eyeshadow Palette in Classic, bottom brown shade called Sable. And I'm going to push the eyeshadow into my upper eyelash line. And I'm doing this just to make my eyelashes appear thicker. And like I said, you can skip the eyeliner and you can just start curling your eyelashes and do some mascara. I'm going to coat my lashes using ILIA Limitless Mascara. And in the spring and summer, I usually don't put mascara on my bottom lashes unless it's like a night out. Alright, so back to the face. I am going to add some bronzer, and I'm going to use the same bronzer that I applied in the crease of my eye. It's the Beauty Counter Radiant All Over Bronzer in Surf. Here it is one more time. And I'm going to be applying this to my face using a blush brush. And I'm going to start applying it to my cheeks, making a cute kissy face. And like I've said before in the previous video, it is a buildable bronzer. It's very creamy, it's very blendable. And then on the forehead, pushing it into the hairline. And then whatever's left on the brush, I drag it along my jawline and down my neck. For my cheeks, I'm not going to be using the same blush that I put on my eye. I'm going to take Beauty Counter Satin Powder Blush in the shade Melon. It's a very pretty light pink. And I'm going to be applying it to the apples of my cheek and at my cheekbone. And taking a little product at a time. You can always add blush. It's just a little bit tricky if you add too much and want to take it away. And then whatever's left on my blush brush, I dust it over my nose. And then, because it's spring, and I shouldn't just say it's just because it's spring, I always add highlighter. I'm going to take the Luminous Powder Highlighter in the shade Halo. Come on, sun, come back. And then with my blush brush, I'm going to take Halo and apply it to my cheekbones and the tip of my nose, whatever's left. And then for your lips, you can just add your favorite lip chap or lip gloss and you're good to go. I'm using Beauty Counter lip gloss in Opal. This is very pretty clear pink. Alright, so the last thing that I'm going to do is quickly spritz my face using the Brightening Facial Mist. I always spray my makeup when I'm using powder products just to make sure everything is soaked in and it's not left looking like you can see the powder. So I'm going to spritz this all over my face. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed my first spring makeup look. I encourage you guys to try this. It's really easy and simple. If you do try it, let me know. I hope it turns out well for you and you like it as much as I do. And until next time, thank you so much for watching.
So I'm going to take my Orphe. Oh my god. Okay, settle down, Brittany. Okay. Make sure you're dry. and because this is a, I can't talk today. I can't talk today. Cancel the video. Cancel. Abort mission. I'm seriously the messiest mascara person. Like, how do you not get mascara on your eyelid? Oopsie. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more clean beauty and skincare tutorials. Oh, she's crying. I gotta go.